So you can see what happens right now. Roma is building conductor. I don't know what is conductor. I think this construction from wood, and it is for saving sizes of the car, because you could see my husband cuts some details, and in the case he will not make this construction, it will fall and it can turn to one side more, or it can be even damaged. So he needs to do this. And my husband now can work only in the evening, because he works in the town, and he can work in the evening after work, and he can work in the weekend. And right now we don't have normal weekends as normal people normally have, because all the weekends my husband works. He feels not so good, he said me in the morning, but he wants to make it. Otherwise, if this car will stay the whole winter without coloring, it will be, I forgot this word, ржавчина. I will write you when I will make video. It's evening now, sunset, and about this part, it's ready for replacing this part. Yes, for installation here. My husband cut this and prepared everything. Что дальше будем делать?
Сейчас у нас машина стоит ровно, горизонтально.
Ну?
Вот. Дальше будем отрезать вот так вот, вот так вот, вот так. Ну ровно вот как та часть. Все полностью удаляем, эту гнилую все.
So he will cut all these damaged parts and will replace it for new. Will replace it for new. Да? Will replace it with new. And someone is here. Ветер. So my husband will take off the wheel. I asked what for is it, and he answered he will see if all this car will fall down. An aeroplane sound. Very hot. Да уж.
Опа! Ничего не упало.
So you can see, it doesn't want to fall.